try and get out and go around in this pasture and sneak down to them and jump them and then pick our stuff up because there's a blind right down there.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm half tempted to try and sneak down there because
if we spook them once, they'll come back.
Yeah. I mean,
so we spook them all and then we... Oh, here they come. They might be coming to us.
Get ready, guys. If they fly over, shoot. We might get these tail end ones.
Those all Canadians?
No, those are all Canadians.
Those are all Canadians?
Yeah. Picking singles, those are the easy ones.
That's fine. I washed it in my mom's washer. I got a washer. Or a dryer at my apartment.
Ready, Holden?
I hit that one. I got that winged one right there. Watch him drop. Yeah. That one's winged.
Shoot him.
I got that one.
Motherfucker folded.
Dude, I shot that first one right off the fucking bat. I smoked his dumb ass. I was like, I'm shooting then. Yeah, I'm like, I'm not waiting until it gets to the
Get ready, get ready.
Right there, right there, right there. I think they saw us. Oh, there's one behind us. Fuck, my bad.
That's a crane.
Is that a crane?
Oh.
Oh, out of shell.
These sound close, Holden. Get ready. I think so. I don't see him yet. Oh yeah, get ready. Get ready. No fucking shot!
I'm out of shells! I'm out of shells! Shoot that motherfucker again! I'm out of shells!
A box and a half. Here comes one.
That's a $50 goose.
It'll be pretty easy.
Do you even blow air in it, or do you just hum in it?
I mean,
Well, you gotta blow.
Goose. Coming in. I'm standing up, so. Shoot him?
Yeah! God damn!
Oh, his foot's off. Dude, oh, he sunk. He's under the water. So shoot him?
probably need to get on the other side of the pond.
I'll get on the other side of the pond and shoot those other two. Because there's two over there, right?
Yeah, that other one posted down.
I'll jump on the other side of the pond and also grab that one.
Get it, bro. See if you can find those two honkers over there.
I need some footage. Fuck you mean? Why did you do that? Oh, balls.
Were we supposed to shoot those?
Holy
He was
fuck.
not fucking around on that one.
I know this isn't one of my quail hunting and pheasant hunting videos, but I had the experience to come out with one of my buddies and get into some goose hunting, and come to find out I actually like goose hunting, so we will be seeing more of these. Thank you for watching to the end, and consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.